And don't worry, if you haven't brought enough clothes with you, I purposely don't bring enough clothes. I barely bring anything because I get my ass straight at Best Bargain Buys and I get everything, boxes, socks, trainers, t-shirts, shirts, everything I need in one place. How sunny is it today, Ted? Too hot? Very hot, very, very hot. Wow. Morning, mate.
Right.
All right.
Yes.
How am I? All right. Morning, mate.
Oh, good.
Morning. Good morning, mate. You all right? Thank you very much, mate. Appreciate that.
Yeah, went to a few shops here.
Yeah, did you get the magazine as well, or?
I've never seen it, man. No.
Oh, look at this. Oh, what happened, does he? Fully covered up the magazine. There you go, mate. Enjoy, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. One-stop shop. Good night, then. Good night, then. One-stop shop for everything that you need here at Best Bargain Buys. You got Turkish music on here. Let's get that music changed. 4 for £30 on men's t-shirts. And they also have big man sizes around the other side, which I think they're either 5 for 40 or 4 for 50, I can't remember. But they're the bigger sizes, you know, like 6XL, 7XL, 8XL, which I'm getting towards. Too many kebabs. You all right? Thank you very much, appreciate that. Oh, this time, only 4 nights. I was in Ula Denise first, so I went Ula Denise 5 nights, then Icmeler for 4. Just for the kids' school holidays, and then we get back on Monday. Stephen Hendry, no. Stephen Hendry, I'll take that. I'll take that. You know.
Oh, he's a good looking man.
He's not an ugly man.
No. No skin.
Nice to meet you anyway. And I'll give you a magazine there as well. Have a flick through, see what you think. Nice to meet you, mate.
Thank you.
Teddy, what are you doing with the head? What have you done this?
Yeah.
You done all this?
Yeah, I'm killing all of them.
You're killing them. Any bags, £10. And don't forget, next door they've got the big bag shop, Best Bargain Buys bag shop next door, where people say, oh, you've got the till and the up them at 15, 20. They're always 10. The price is there. It doesn't change. 10, 10, 10. Every single one, 10, 10, 10. Small, big, they're all a tenner. You've got a shopping trolley. And if you spend £300 or more, you then get a free suitcase. Spend 300 quid and you get a free suitcase at Best Bargain Buys. Perfect, save yourself a few quid that way. Add your suitcase on. Jet2 are really good at that. They charge like 40 something quid, where you can add a case on for 22, 23 kilos. Hopefully you can see everything in the background. I know I'm walking quite fast today, but we are going to head over to Marmaris, get over to probably the marina area today, show you that, and go and see Mama Castle. Remember her from the other year? Little old lady with a daughter who sells souvenirs at the back of the castle, and I always like to go, you know, spend 20 quid with her, get some souvenirs. Don't really want them, I just want to see her and show her that she's in the latest copy of the Sunny Marmaris magazine. So if you haven't picked it up yet, pick it up from the pickup points, which is Best Bargain Buys, Gazelle Port, Chucky's, Zane's, Alibaba Boat Specialist, opposite Blueport Mall. Loads of pickup points where you can get that magazine, or you can get it online at sunnymarmaris.uk. Istanbul Kebab is closed. We're too early for it. It's open later, but I like to pop in there for a drink, especially when Rochelle's shopping at one of these shops, or the Best Bargain Buys trainer shop. I like to pop across the road and have a little leffies. Look how hot it is today. Woo! Anyone else sneeze when they look at the sun? Every time, bless me, thank you. Right, Ed M's on his way back, and then we go to Marmaris, yeah?
Where are we going?
So we're going to jump on the electric scooter, and we're going to go from Best Bargain Buys in Icmeler over to Majestic Restaurant, also in Icmeler, just by the canal, and we're going to show how you get there on one of these electric scooters.
On the telly before.
Hello, mate. You all right? Thank you very much. Appreciate that.
Yes, we read about Majestics and stuff.
Let me give you one of my magazines as well.
Oh, you got one of them as well?
Yeah, it's to help tourists out here. So I'm not selling anything, just free magazine.
Yeah,
oh, thank you very much.
Check it up before we come out.
Thank you. Appreciate that, mate.
Well, thank you very much.
Have a good one. See you later. So we're going to get on one of these electric. I love seeing followers. Absolutely love seeing followers when I'm abroad. Taking pictures with everyone, thanking everyone for following us, and I genuinely appreciate it. Whether it's on YouTube, subscribe now if you haven't already, whether it's on TikTok or Facebook. Ready? Right, we're going to go to Majestic. Merhaba, mate. We're going to go to Majestic now, drop them off a magazine, show them in the magazine because they don't know. Some people, I just put the pictures in and I don't tell them. I just surprise them, like, look, there, you're in. So let's go and take a look where Majestic is. Ready, Ida? Yeah. Camera go. Look how beautiful the canal is. I love it down here. It's peaceful, relaxing. You can see the small boats. But then you've also got a load of nice restaurants, good bars. And like I said, it's just very relaxing down this part. Tattoo, bamboo ink. Bit of mate. Then Bamboo Restaurant. Let's give Bamboo Restaurant a magazine because they're in it. So Bamboo Restaurant. Let's have a look for them. Where is Bamboo? Where is Bamboo? There we are, Bamboo Restaurant in sunnymarmaris.uk, and there's the restaurant right there. So I'm going to go and, while there's no one there, I'm going to go and drop my magazine inside. Let's keep going. Some of these are still opening up because it is still the start of the season. So these don't know they were in it yet. But what we've done, because I enjoyed the breakfast here last year, where they were like dirt cheap, I think they were £3 and £4, I've just put a small picture of them in the Sunny Marmaris magazine. Let's have a look, see if we can find them in here. Majestic restaurants right there. Full English breakfast, and then it even says in here, full English breakfast. Majestic was one of them that I preferred. So there we go, we've given Majestic the magazine. Check them out for breakfast. Do you know the price of breakfast this year?
I think it's going to be the same price.
Same? No.
Sure.
Same.
Of course.
So they're opening up tonight. What day is it? Saturday? Yeah, so it's Saturday. By the time you watch this will be over with. So Majestic will be open. Right, shall we go for a little ride, Isla? Come on then, Isla. Hello, mate. You all right? Yeah, spot on, mate. Did you get the magazine yet? There you go, pal.
Nice one.
My magazine. Have a good one, mate.
And you.
See you later.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Beautiful views from the canal in Icmeler. This is what I like about Icmeler. And in a couple of months' time, all the trees will be full of these beautiful pink flowers. Perfect, isn't it? So these bars will just start to open up now. But the area is just so relaxing. You just come, sit here in the daytime, grab a bite to eat. Monjo restaurant, Ida, Lighthouse, Golden Moon on the end. And I mentioned all of these in the magazine as well. So look, this is Ida Steakhouse. You see the logo up there? Ida. Yeah, and the next one is Lighthouse Restaurant. So this one here, Lighthouse Restaurant. Merhaba, merhaba. Yeah, Golden Moon Champagne Steakhouse. We are open Thursday. See you soon. So again, everything's just opening now in Icmeler. We're now back, finishing up where we started at Best Bargain Buys in Icmeler. I'm sure you all know it by now, because it's the place that I pick up the most, and it's where we'll be filling up suitcase after suitcase, because when you spend £300 you get a free one. Get up there. There's the Dolmush, very easy to get here on the Dolmush, and that's 30 lira from Marmaris to Icmeler, or 30 lira from Icmeler back to Marmaris. And my dad actually got that on his own last year. We made a YouTube video out of it, so go and check out that video now as well.